Soon the factory of tomorrow will become a reality. The key enablers are next generation wireless technologies, such as 5G. 5G is the first wireless technology which has been developed while keeping the tough requirements of industrial applications in mind. Especially the possibility to set up private 5G networks brings a real advantage to industrial verticals. A private 5G network is an exclusive local wireless network, for example in a factory or a process plant. Private 5G networks can be set up and managed by the users. They work with private spectrum. This is a big advantage as the frequency is not used or congested by other users. Another benefit is that data stays private. Besides industrial wireless LAN, private industrial 5G networks will be the basis for flexible factories. They will bring the advantages of 5G like ultra reliability and lowest latencies to the shop floor. These are essential for the industry. To set up a private 5G network, you need a private 5G infrastructure in your facility. Here in Hall 9 on the Hanover Fairgrounds, we have installed a prototype of our private 5G solution that is currently under development. It consists of a 5G core which manages the entire network and a radio access network. The radio access network contains the central unit, the CU, which controls the wireless network, the distributed unit, the DU, converts the radio signal, and then we need devices that evenly distribute the 5G signal in the facility. Here our radio units, the RUs, come into play. They transmit the 5G signal and make it available for the end devices. Altogether, the 5G core, the CU, the DU and the RUs make up the 5G infrastructure. Now all kinds of 5G end devices can connect to this local 5G network. Like for example, our industrial 5G routers, Scalens MUM853-1 and MUM856-1. The prototype installation here in Hall 9 is permanent, so even before market-ready solutions are available, 5G enthusiasts can rent a hall and test their applications.